Hello everyone, welcome to Knowledge Enlightenment Podcast. We literally appreciate you so very much, guys. Thank you for your support, and I hope that the previous video was very enlightening and it was actually very proper guiding for you guys. I hope that you literally learned something in the video. So I want to say thank you for your support, guys, and please keep on distributing the videos and keep on liking, keep on viewing, keep on learning. Let's grow and learn and become the best of ourselves. So by learning, we become more. So either way, to save too much time, because this video is not going to be that long. Um, so on your comments, I saw that you guys are literally commenting. So I thought that it's necessary for me to solve the problem. This episode is going to be about how to convert your TRC20 USDT to Bitcoin. So it came into my mind that I realized that it's very important. So either way, the option that I'm actually going to give you to convert it to Bitcoin, it's one of the best options for me that I literally would consider you to try. Yeah, either way, I'm not saying that you should practice, but I feel like it's the best way for you to start. So this option is you need to convert your TRC20 USDT via OKX. You need to convert it using via OKX. Okay. So why do I mean that? Number one is you need to start logging into your OKX account. And then if you don't understand what I mean by that, is that you need to access your OKX wallet and ensure you have the correct amount and wallet selected. So make sure that the amount that you're going to be taking out from your USDT, your amount that you're going to be using from your TRC20, and also the wallet that you actually selecting, you need to make sure that all those things are actually accurate and they're actually correct and they're aligning proper. Okay, so that your process can be much more faster and much easier. So number two, you need to convert your USDT to Bitcoin. So converting your USDT to Bitcoin, it's what you want to understand, right? It's the main point of all this thing. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to start by navigating. You need to navigate to the convert or the swap. You must navigate to the convert or the swap sections, right? Okay, on OKX, on your OKX account. Okay, then select the TRC20 USDT as the source currency, and Bitcoin as the target currency. I'm going to repeat it. You need to first navigate to the correct. You need to navigate to convert or swap, and then navigate to convert or swap section on the OKX account, and then select the TRC20 USDT as the source currency. I mean the source currency, and the Bitcoin as the target currency. I hope that you understand, and I hope that you understood what I was saying. Please make sure that if you don't understand, rephrase the video until you understand, so that you can actually do the correct things. Okay, and then after then, enter the amount you want to convert and confirm the transaction. Okay, after everything, then you can enter the amount that you want to enter, then you can confirm that specific transaction. And then number three, review and confirm. So what I mean by that is carefully review the conversion details, including the exchange rate, and any fees. Confirm the transaction to proceed. So after referencing or reviewing, making sure that whatever you did is correct, everything is aligning well, the amount is correct, make sure that you review everything carefully, that you made the correct, you went through all the instructions and you did things correctly before you can make your final confirmation. Okay, so that before you can transfer your TRC20 to your Bitcoin, before it's already converted, please make sure that everything is correct and everything is sorted properly. So I would literally appreciate you guys to actually take all these things into consideration. Okay, please guys, make sure that you also check our description link below there. You're gonna find some certain links over there where you can actually register for the same thing that we're explaining. You can register for crypto, You want to register. If you want to also be a member of affiliate marketing, also the links are going to be there. You can actually learn more about affiliate marketing. Also Amazon, you can also use those links to go to Amazon stores and also buy anything that you want to buy. You can buy crypto lessons, you can buy crypto books, you can buy books that you can also read, or you can get a lot of things from the Amazon site and also the ClickBank. So guys, please make sure that you take the description link also into consideration, because it can actually open your mind to see things that you never thought that you could be able to acknowledge. So we literally appreciate you so very much. Thank you for liking Knowledge Martin and subscribing. Please share this channel with your family members or the people who are close, or those you might feel that they might need this knowledge. Would literally appreciate you. Please keep on commenting and keep on asking questions. We will be there and delighted to be. Pleasure to assist you. Knowledge and Martin podcast. Stay tuned.